Tired of your gear getting wet or your truck bed looking unfinished? Let's fix that. In this video, we'll look at the top bed covers for your GMC Canyon. From rugged, all-weather protection to low-profile designs that turn heads, let's find out which one suits your Canyon best. Coming in at number 5, we have the Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, a simple, reliable solution for your GMC Canyon. It fits the 5 feet 2 inches bed from model years 2015 through 2025 and installs in minutes without any drilling. Just clamp, roll, and you're good to go. What makes this cover stand out is its sturdy aluminum frame and double-layer PVC top that can handle daily wear while keeping your truck bed protected from the elements. The arched crossbars prevent water buildup, and the spring latch system keeps it snug and wrinkle-free. It's lightweight, looks sharp, and offers great value for the money. If you want easy function and solid protection without breaking the bank, this one's a winner. Now, let's roll into number 4, where we step up in strength and design. At number 4, we've got the WHALEMOTOR Hard Folding Tonneau Cover, a great balance of toughness, style, and practicality for your GMC Canyon. It's custom fit for the 5.2-foot bed and installs easily. No drilling, no stress. The build quality here really shines, using durable materials that can take on harsh weather, from heavy rain to hailstorms, without denting or fading. The reinforced hinges and strong latches lock everything down tight, so your cargo stays safe wherever you go. On top of that, it looks fantastic, sleek, low profile, and aerodynamic, which helps reduce drag and keep things stable at high speeds. It's one of those covers that looks like it came straight from the factory, and for the price, it's a real bang for your buck. Now, let's move on to number 3, where we explore a cover that blends durability with smart functionality. At number 3, we have the TIPTOP Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover, a tough and reliable choice for GMC Canyon owners who want year-round protection without overspending. It's made from heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl, backed by sturdy aluminum support ribs that keep it solid even in harsh weather. Whether it's rain, snow, or blazing sun, this cover holds up beautifully, resisting shrinkage, fading, and cracking. It installs easily, fits snugly, and does an impressive job keeping water out of the truck bed. The material is strong enough to handle off-road debris and daily wear while keeping your cargo safe and dry. It's one of those covers that feels high-end but comes at a reasonable price, offering a great mix of durability and function for everyday use. Now let's head to number 2, where we step into a cover built for ultimate protection and sleek design. At number 2, we have the YITAMOTOR FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover, a strong contender for one of the best hard covers you can get for your GMC Canyon. It's made from premium fiberglass reinforced polymer, which means it's not only tough but also resistant to scratches, UV damage, and all kinds of harsh weather. Underneath, the honeycomb core adds extra strength, giving it serious load-bearing capacity without weighing your truck down. Installation couldn't be easier. No drilling, no special tools, just clamp it on and you're good to go in about 15 minutes. The latches lock tight for added security, and the built-in LED light is a thoughtful touch for those late-night hauls. It looks great, performs even better, and for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Up next, number 1 takes it to the next level with unmatched quality, design, and protection for your Canyon's bed. Taking the number 1 spot is the Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, and for good reason. It strikes the perfect balance between price, performance, and practicality. Designed for the 2023 to 2025 GMC Canyon, this soft roll-up cover uses durable 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl supported by strong crossbars that keep it firm and smooth when closed, yet easy to roll up when you need full bed access. It mounts with aircraft-grade aluminum rails and stainless steel clamps, no drilling required, and seals tight with a Velcro strip and latch lock system at the tailgate. The adjustable tension keeps it snug and wrinkle-free, even through changing weather. It installs in about 15 minutes, looks clean and premium, and keeps nearly all water out, giving you incredible value for the price. That's our top pick, and it wraps up our list of the best GMC Canyon bed covers. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more reviews, and check the description for links to all the products featured today.